Hey, and welcome to Crafting with Kids. I'm going to show you how to create your own DIY photo ornament or photo keepsake. This is an easy craft you can do with your kids around the holidays or just for fun. Let's start with materials. Grab your floor gloss or floor polish. Next, grab your ornament or your keepsake jar. You need a brush, you need an extra cup, and grab your photo. Now the photo needs to fit flush against your ornament or your jar. The next thing you're going to do is open your ornament or your container, pour your floor polish in there, and then as you pour your floor polish in there, you're going to bend your picture so you can get it in the ornament or your keepsake, and then just let it sit in the floor polish for a little bit. Once your photo is in there, pour a little more floor polish, and then take your brush and make sure you situate it in the right place. Push it down to make sure all the air bubbles are gone, and let it soak up some of that floor polish. You're going to pour out the extra liquid, and after you do, take your brush and make sure you situate the picture exactly where you want it, and then let it sit for a little while. You'll notice it'll start to get sticky and stick to the ornament or the glass. Once the photo is dry, you're going to fill the ornament or the jar with something. I'm using the red cinnamon candies that you see around Christmas. Another great thing to use is glitter. So now all you do is you fill your container with whatever you want to fill it with, and then we're done.